Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to change your address on the Kilimall app. I am doing this video because someone requested and they were really having a hard time, and I thought, why not? If I can help solve this problem, let's do it. Interested in this video, then you should keep watching it. First, you know what to do. Download the Kilimall app for this. This is the only way this video is going to be relevant to you. If you do not have it, then I guess you are on the wrong channel. But no, you're never on the wrong channel. You need the Kilimall app. Once you log into your Kilimall app, I am going to be showing you guys right here on my left side of the screen what I'm going to be doing. So first of all, you need to log into the Kilimall app. I've already logged into my Kilimall app. Once the app is open and displayed, you are going to notice that there is a form of a human being head shape and shoulder on the right corner of your screen below. You are going to be clicking that. Once you click that, it's going to bring you to your Kilimall app profile. So we have your names, whatnot on the top list. We have my orders, my assets, my earnings, and then under my tools, we have the address book. Once you click the address book, it's going to be showing you where you normally take or pick your parcels from the Kilimall station, from the pickup station. So that's where. So in case you want to change this, let's say you move to Nairobi. For example, I am in Mombasa. For example, let's say I want to move to Nairobi. There is an option down there below on your screen written add new address. So I'm going to click right there, insert my name and number. Once you have inserted your name and numbers, you have the option of a country. Of course, you are, for example, in this situation, we have moved from Nairobi. We have moved from Mombasa. We are in Nairobi. So I'm just going to click Nairobi, and then it's going to give me the option of a town. So let's say, for example, which town do we choose? Which town? I know Kileleshwa better. Where's Kileleshwa though? Yeah, so I'm going to click on Kileleshwa. So once you click on the pickup town that you are in, it's going to give you either a delivery to doorstep where you can add your address so that they can actually be bringing it to your doorstep, or choose the pickup station like I have chosen. And then once you click on the pickup station, it's going to tell you to choose your pickup station. Mine is the only pickup station in Kileleshwa is the one at Musagitao Road near Dafibet, Waruku, Kileleshwa Ward. So I'm going to click on that. Yeah. So once you click on that, you submit. And so as you can see, after I have finished adding my address, it has displayed itself on my shipping address. So yeah, the tricky part is this. So when you are making your order, yeah, for example, I'm going to be choosing this as my order, and then we are going to check this item out. Okay, so now when you're placing your order, there's some shipping information that you are supposed to check out. Before you actually place your order, make sure you edit your shipping information. As you can see, it is displaying again both stations that I had selected as my shipping address. So you choose the one that is more convenient for you, or the location that you are in. For example, if I am in Mombasa, I will choose the one below, which is at Nyali. And if I am in Nairobi, which we had selected Kileleshwa, you use this address, and it is going to pop up like that. Okay, that is it. That's basically it. And then you place your order, make your payment, and place your order. So that's it. That is just about it. It is as simple as that. Guys, I have done many videos on Kilimall. You should go and check them out. Some will be popping right up here. Go and check them out on my channel. Links are in the description box, and you'll get questions to the answers that most of you are asking me in my email. I am not repeating those videos. You just have to go and watch those videos kindly. If you haven't already, you better subscribe to this channel, because you know what we do over here. I help you solve your problems of online shopping. Yes. If you found this video very helpful to you, please make sure you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section if this video was helpful to you or not. And sharing is caring, so you better share with your friends and family of friends. Remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And subscribe if you haven't already. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me, and welcome to the family. Until next time, always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye. Oh my goodness, it's been a while since let me just end this first of all. Oh, the camera is still rolling. Oh my god, it's been a while, you guys, and I am so happy to be back again with you guys today, because I am here to help whenever I can. Okay, I miss you guys so much. It's so good to see you. I know there's no one behind the camera, but it's so good to see you guys, and I feel so excited to be back to show my pretty face for you. Good things are coming up, and stay tuned. You don't miss. I upload my videos every Friday, so you better be subscribed to get notified when I upload the videos. Okay, that is it. Bye. Let's jump into the video. Okay, bye.